number 9 is a regression problem. So if you type in all the data and then use the logistic regression, which this one kind of takes forever, so if you want to make a note of that, takes forever. It's more like 10 seconds, but that's kind of forever in computer or calculator terms. So make sure to be patient. Your calculator will give you the answer. So this will be your regression, and they want you to graph it. So it kind of looks like that. We put some dots. It's actually kind of hard to put dots using this app that I have. Or maybe I'm just not good at it. Anyway, this will be our graph. And then part C says, according to the model, when would the population reach 450? So they're looking for a t-value. So here we want to do y2 is equal to 450. And then if you do the calc intersect, then you should get 9.28 days.